I want to give you a little sneak peek inside the Website Words Academy. So when you join, you'll receive an email that looks something like this. The Website Words Workshop was the old name for the Website Words Academy. So please, if you ever see that written down, don't worry, it is the same thing. I have tried to change everything, but who knows, some things have slipped into the net. This is an old kind of receipt. So you'll receive an email to say that you have joined, and you'll receive a link to click through and set your username and password. You'll also receive an email that looks a little something like this, which is kind of in from me, and it will say a little bit about the course. And also, once you've set your password, you can use this link to access the course straight away. So it's a really nice, if you keep this email in your inbox, it means you've always got access to the course wherever you want it by just clicking this button. So let's click it now. So when we click the button, we're taken through to the course access page. And from here, you can see all the modules within the course and click through to whatever you want to work with. And also, if you want to go to specific lessons, so start off where you left off from last time, you can just click start to any one of these here. So these are all the modules inside the course. So let's click to, for example, let's start here. So this is what it looks like inside the course dashboard so that you can see kind of how everything will look. So you have a welcome and preparation section. I'll just show you an example of the video. So this is me just kind of talking to camera, talking you through the course. If you click on this one, it'll show you how to fill in your target audience questionnaire. So I show you through the template of the questionnaire and then how to do it step by step. And then here is where you actually access the questionnaire. So you can either click to use a Google Doc, or if you scroll down, you can use an editable PDF. So it's up to you which format you prefer. And that's the same throughout all the sections. So for example, if we go to homepage copywriting, you'll see I have put each section of your homepage is separated out. So for example, the benefits section is a video from me talking about that particular section on your template. And I talk you through it. I give you examples. All the videos are nice and short. This one, for example, is 2.5 minutes, which is kind of typical for the kind of length of videos. So there's nothing too long and overwhelming. You have all the different sections. You're able to, again, if you go to the kind of first section of the module, you'll see you're able to either download the template as a Google Doc, or you can download it as an editable PDF. And that is the same for every single section. So you've got the welcome section, you've got module 1, which is all about your target audience research, homepage copywriting, about page, how I work, how to do a copy review of your website so you can make sure it's all nicely optimized, SEO and sales psychology, a wrap up with some bonus resources from Jess, who is an amazing website designer. So she shared 4 tips for building a client booking website. So you'll see her video masterclass here. It's nice and short, but it just gives you an idea of what to do. And then also Mariah, who is an amazing content marketer. She gives you some tips on how to actually get traffic to your site once it's gone live. So here is her video tutorial. So there's really everything you need. It's really, really nice and easy to navigate. It's really simple. I've made sure everything's broken down for you so you won't get overwhelmed. Obviously, I am here the whole time to help you out whenever you need it, but I just wanted to give you a really sneak peek inside the course.